First, go to ghat.com. Log into your account or create a new account. You'll be taken to your account dashboard. Here, you can either click at the top of the page to register a product, or here on the left menu, click Register a Product. You're going to need to scroll down to find the black ice products. Now these do not have a pin with them. They are not insured, they are just the standard products. Go through the prompts and select the device that you have. Using the calendar tool, pick the date you purchased your guard and at what location. Upload a picture of your receipt. Submit. Review your information and click Register Product. If you need to order a replacement, go to your account dashboard. At the bottom of the screen, you will have a list of the products that you have registered and click Get a Replacement. Make sure that all the information here is correct. Proceed to checkout. Then fill out your information, choose your shipping method, and you're all set.